7, E. That's the Muse song Unintended. And you notice all these are like 7, 5, 5, 3, 3, 2, open. You play it. You can play it in open position with open chords, but it doesn't sound as good. Because if you play it with bar chords, you get the bass. And then at the end, they go to A minor from E. Start on the A string. G. We hit the G bass note. You don't have to hold it. You just. And then I would recommend from that A minor position, you leave your ring finger and use your middle finger to get the second fret on the low E string. And that's you're just walking down. We go G, F sharp. Then we play a F major 7 to E. And that's how it ends. All right, that's that song Unintended by Muse. All right, thanks for that request. Have fun.